keep up with me? She's primed and ready. Now floor it, full throttle! Huh, a bunch of Sunday drivers. Oh, you really? Even if it's a hunk of junk, I'll bring it roaring back to life. Over there. Really? Now?
I will lend you my strength.
An enticing lure? Will always be reliable. Oh, over here. I'll hurry over. Like I said, I know everything. You're in for a surprise. Here we go. Oh, so cute. Assist me. Coming.
It hurts.
I'll hurry over. What, you think this is a joke? You hit me! Dare block my way? Now! Need someone to ride with? I'm always open to new opportunities. Are my sweet babies all ready? Wipe them out. I can do it too! Oh, really? You dare block my way? Better fight down! You hit me? Nothing in this world is free. Can you keep up with me? With me backing you up, losing ain't an option. A bunch of Sunday drivers. Like I said, I know everything.
All your foolish choices have led you to despair.
If I can't do it alone, we can do it together! I knew you'd show up, because you're always here with me. Here, I baked this with love. I'm bread. This bread will make you feel better. Go back home this instant. If you eat sweets, you have to brush your teeth.
I will show you grace. By granting you death.
Why are you interrupting my relaxation? You don't realize I've got you in the palm of my hand. Senya, what are you doing here? Now smash that arrogant face of yours into the ground. You really have no I told you. This is mine! Okay, let me give it a try.
Now, let us begin.
How rude! Don't just stand there! I'll hurry over! Kindly, get out of here, we go! Oh, so cute! Do you need my help? All together! It's all thanks to Tasty Pie! Can you keep up with me? She's primed and ready. Now floor it, full throttle! You dare block my way?
Time to end our twisted fate. Above all, a sharpened spear is a cruel truth.
This song was meant for us. The odyssey of your life was meant to bring you here.
Even if it's a hunk of junk, I'll bring it roaring back to life.
This world has no place for you.
Here, take my hand. We're not done.
This blade desires blood.
Need someone to ride with? Better bite down!
Shall we dance? Come back here.
You dare block my way? Stand straight! Oh, really?
How much longer must we endure this meaningless war?
You have nothing to worry about now.
Not bad for such a wretched being. Accept what you deserve.
Now, Valencia, teach those baddies a lesson! I knew you'd show up, because you're always here with me. I'm not just gonna sit by and watch! Wait a moment, it's snack time! This bread will make you feel better! Could you listen for once when I say it's dangerous? You eat! You have to brush your teeth! But I'm still on vacation. Now! Senya! What are you doing here?
Annoying vermin must be crushed.
Why are you interrupting my relaxation? There's no use fighting it. You've already been reeled in.
You outlived your usefulness. Now rest in peace.
If you keep bothering me, then I'll have to call my friend! Do you need my help? Here, I make this with love.
Stop bugging me.
I was going to let you off easy. Kindly scoot out of here. Here we go! Oh, so you! You don't realize I've got you, palm of my hand.
Show your elders some respect. Go!
You're not too strong, so this should be enough. Oh, you really have no talent. Enticing lure. Will always be reliable. Okay, let me give it a try. Let's team up. I'll hurry over.
A bunch of Sunday drivers. With me backing you up, losing ain't an option. Can you keep up with me?
What, you think this is a joke? I have no more business with you.
The dark shroud of death is coming over. I hope you find it comfortable. A patient in need of treatment?
I'm always open to new opportunities.
give up. Be saved.
You hit me? A bunch of Sunday drivers. Nothing in this world is free.
So, you think you're ready to rumble? Good try.
Need someone to ride with? Better bite down!
What, you think this is a joke?
You dare block my way?
Like I said, I know everything.
Can you keep up with me? Primed and ready. Now floor it! Full throttle! Need someone to ride with?
Who's next? I will cut you all down. No one can escape. A crack. You can't break this sword, can you?